Big banks are a frequent target of the Occupy Wall Street protesters. And the banks in their bullseye the most are those that received U.S. government bailout money.
We have socialism for the rich, socialism for the banks, and we have capitalism for the rest of us. So when the banks fail, they're helped out by the government. They're too big to fail. But when homeowners can't get the bills together every month, they're the ones who fail.
Citibank received $45 billion in bailout funds, and the government at one point owned 27% of the company. The bank has paid back all of the money. Saturday afternoon, a group of protesters entered a Citibank branch to close their bank accounts in protest. 24 were arrested for criminal trespassing. The bank denied that they asked for anyone to be arrested. So it's back to business as usual for this Citibank branch where those protesters were arrested on Saturday. And business is very good. The New York-based bank is beating analyst expectations for the last quarterly earnings. Like Citibank, Wells Fargo Bank is also seeing green, a 20% year-to-year increase in profits. According to economists, there are two main reasons for the profit increases. The banks are borrowing money at low interest rates and lending it out at much higher levels.
The other, which speaks to the discontent we see in some cases in the street, is that these banks are doing a lot of cost cutting, which means they're making less loans to people who look risky and want and need the money for their home or for a business, a small business, and they're hiring less people.
So could some of the anger addressed to big banks be misplaced?
Even though plenty of anger is well-deserved, the banks have become a kind of epicenter straw dog stand-in for everything people are mad about, whether it's really a Main Street issue or it's a Wall Street issue.
And people across the U.S. are certainly angry, both at the scale of some bank profits, but also at those in charge of running an economy that's still struggling. Scott Heidler, Al Jazeera, New York.